Did you know that some people can hear a sound that science cannot explain and cannot stop? In Taos, New Mexico, residents started reporting it in the early 1990s. A low, steady hum, like a diesel engine idling just out of sight, present at 3 in the morning, present at noon, present everywhere and nowhere at once. Scientists came. They brought equipment. They ran tests. They confirmed the hearers were not imagining it. Their distress was real. Their sleep loss was real. But the sound itself left no trace on any recording device. The same thing has happened in Bristol, England, in Windsor, Ontario. Small clusters of people in otherwise ordinary towns trapped inside a frequency nobody else can detect. No source has ever been identified. No treatment has ever worked. Some sufferers have moved hundreds of miles away. The hum followed them. Here is what makes this truly unsettling. The researchers never proved the sound was not there. They only proved most people cannot hear it. And those are two very different things.